And good morning. A beautiful day here in Utah, everybody. That's right. Utah. Nice lighthouse. Don't think too hard about that, but Utah. I don't think there's any oceanfront property in Utah, so I think this is a joke. Okay. Haha. Haha. Utah is landlocked, so I can only assume this is like built in protest of the fact that they have no oceans nearby. Okay, well, I like it. I like it nonetheless. It's pretty cool. All right, well, we are gonna travel on south today. Not actually sure where we're gonna get to exactly, but hey, everybody knows but me because I'm sure there's some hint in the title. But hey, right now, I don't know where I'm going yet, so we will just aim for south right now and see where we get to. Okay, cool. Alrighty, so this big brown sign up to the left says Tokerville. I got this tip, but was told that to get to the destination, you need four-wheel drive and a high clearance vehicle, which I am neither of, so okay, I instantly regret this decision. Oh man. Come on, Yoda, you can do it. Ooh. Yeah, so I think this will work. Other people have the same idea. Guy behind me has got a little ramp. I'll be able to get the bike off the back. It's just really quiet here. Makes me feel a little uncomfortable because you could tell everybody just kind of abandons their vehicle and takes something else up there. And this is going to be the roughest ride the TW's ever taken too, so we'll see. I'm taking a break up here from where I parked. It's a 6-mile ride up here, but I got to show you guys this. This is almost like Grand Canyon-esque. As a matter of fact, my goodness. Guys, rent a bike, rent an off-road vehicle, and come up this way in Utah before you die, please. I got goosebumps. This world is just so beautiful. I know that sounds really cliche, but you know, you see it on TV all the time. You're watching it on TV, but when you're standing here, there's just so much beauty out here. It's disgusting. Oh, anyway, got a little ways to go to get to the falls. Let's hop back on the bike. Well, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little lost right now. I found a nice tree to park under for some shade. It's a warm day today. The reason why I'm not worried about finding the falls is because I have found the water. That's a good sign. It's flowing down that way. So I can also see tire tracks. People do cross this water. Wait a minute, you guys hear that? I hear water and I hear voices. That's right. Good thing I went downstream, right? Instead of upstream. Holy. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. Wow. I honestly don't know if I will be able to capture this the way I want to. But this is spectacular. It's really warm today, so the mist coming off the falls is really cooling. One thing's for sure, this is a hidden gem here in Utah, and I would not have found this if it were not for a local tip, and I would not have made it down here without the TW200. That's for sure. There's just so much beauty here. Look at these two round boulders underneath these big ones. It's really strange, right? And then after the waterfall, it goes down to about a 20-foot drop right there and kind of pools. I could stay here all day if I had the RV and Jax with me. That would be the key. Otherwise, I want to get back on the road. Well, I want to go see Jax and find an actual safer camping spot than where I'm at. But hey, just wanted to share this with you. Spectacular. Tokerville Falls in southern Utah. Okay, long ride back to the RV. Well, I got back here all right. My arms are kind of jello right now. There's a lot of vibrations on that trail, and almost all the vehicles that were here have left, except for one guy getting ready to go out right now. I'm interested, have any of you watching this video ever been up here? Have you ever taken an off-road vehicle up there? I'm really happy that I have the TW for this kind of stuff. That's half of what it's for, right? So let me feed Jax real quick, and we'll get on the road. Okay, this road is the same as the other one, but less rocks. And this is all free dispersed camping here. Oh my gosh, that is a big rut there. Let's go way over here. Oh gosh, it's just gonna sink way down. Oh my gosh, that's scary. This road is not pleasant for a Class C RV, but we're gonna make it, guys. We're gonna make it. Forgot to tell you, I filled up my onboard water tank at the gas station there. They were very polite. So, finally, water. Cool. So we are closest to the town of St. George, Utah. And what I think is a little different here in this national forest park is you got all these tiny houses. There's two over there. There's one here. I mean, they're just like scattered and they're just dropped with nothing else. I'm gonna drive past it and see what it says. It has a sign on it that says Zion's Tiny Getaway. So apparently it's a business to bring them out, park them here, and then rent them out to people. That's interesting. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Once we get parked, we may not leave for a while, guys. Here comes another one of those tiny houses off to our left here. Very strange. Firewood and camp chairs, hot dog roasters. Okay. Uh-oh. Looks like Jesse and Walter out here cooking again. It's an 88 pounder. It's awesome. Sometimes you got to drive a little bit past everybody to get the really good spots. And if you guys don't mind, could you pinch me just to make sure that this is really happening? Because I'm camping on the edge of a cliff with a ravine and a dam, and I mean, granted, I am standing here on the edge of a, I don't know, 1,000-foot drop there. My heart's beating a million miles an hour, but are you kidding me? I have never been able to look out my side door at such beauty. This is just amazing. I'm afraid I may have to camp here a couple days. Because I came out as far, nobody came out this far. Nobody is past me, okay? I came the farthest out that you can possibly go. I'm level here. My closest neighbors, right there. And I just figured it was worth trying. Again, I mean, there is a lot of edge here. So, but, gosh, man. Look at these beautiful cacti. Never thought you'd hear me say that, huh? No. Only in Utah, guys. That's right. Not exactly sure what these antennas are for Info West Wireless. Maybe I should check and see if I have any free Wi-Fi up here. But that right there, that's a video camera. Oh, protecting the dam, probably. Yeah, probably. I wish that I could fly the drone, but we are on Zion National Park property, BLM, free camping. That rule still applies. Look at this view, though. Magnificent. Just amazing. Living life on the edge, huh, Jax? Again, I don't think I have ever had a more amazing view out my front door. Sorry about the screen in the way there, but come on, guys. This is free for 14 days. I just can't stop smiling. I feel like that's green screen fake. No, that is really what's outside my door. It's just... oh, man. Thank you. Thank you. So, the sun has set here in this amazing spot. Had to make some changes because I wasn't quite level. And it was tricky. Because I was parked up on this rock and it was great, now I had to get on my leveler, and as you can see, I totally busted the thing, but it's still working for today. Because I really wanted to utilize that big boulder right there for the two dualies. So that worked great and popped me up. But like I said, my wheelbase is just a little too long by 2 feet. Had to sacrifice a leveling jack there. Oh well. I was sitting here watching the sunset earlier. Just... it's a very strange place. The more the day went on, the more I wanted to stay here for a week. We'll see. It doesn't actually really matter anymore. I'm in no hurry to get back to the Lincoln Highway at this point. And that's the cool part, is that I'm not held to any schedule anymore. It doesn't matter. Just gonna do this as it feels right, basically. Why not? Yeah. I'll keep sharing the journey with you every other day, no matter what. Or maybe I'll hop on the bike and go explore around here a little more. There may be some national parks nearby. Just saying. Just saying. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're safe and healthy. Jackson, I'll see ya either way in a couple days. Bye, guys. A friendly reminder from Jackson and I, don't forget to order your Don't Be a Tater Hater t-shirt, sweater, or hoodie. Available for a limited time. Dark colors are also available. Look in the video description below this video for more details.